Hello writers, in this video I will be going over how to use Microsoft Teams. First, you're going to download the application on your phone. This is how the app should look like. Sign in using your UTRGV email and password. Then, on the bottom of your screen, locate Teams. On the top right hand corner, click on the plus sign. To join your class, click on the Join a Team with a Code option. Enter the code found on Blackboard or on the whiteboard in the front of the class and click Join. On the bottom of your screen, locate Chat and click on New Chat. Type your professor's name on the search bar and click on it when you find it. Type a quick hello and click Send. Now you have created a chat thread on Microsoft Teams. You can now use Microsoft Teams to ask your professor questions or to clarify concerns during the semester. Awesome, you have now learned how to use Microsoft Teams. Until next time, bye.